Dear students, today in this lecture, we will discuss about the example of dynamic approach, matrix chain multiplication. With the help of matrix chain multiplication, we optimize the total calculation of the multiplication of given dimension of matrix. In this problem, we given a sequence like that A1, A2, dash, 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 A, and we wish to compute A1, A2, dash, 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 A. For matrix chain multiplication is associativity, and so all parenthesization yield the same product. For example, if the chain matrix is A1, A2, A4, then product A1, A2, A3, A4 can be fully parenthesized in 5 distinct ways. 5 different ways like that: A1, A2, A3, A4 multiply with A2, then whole product is multiplied by A1. Next, first we multiply A2, A3, then A2, A3 multiply by A4, then product of A2, A3 and multiply by A4 product is multiplied by A1. Now next parenthesis like A1, A2 का multiplication and A3, A3, A4 का multiplication, and both multiplication is multiplied to each other. Similarly, next parenthesized multiplication of A2, A3 is multiplied by A1, the whole product is multiplied by A4. Similarly, the multiplication of A1, A2 is multiplied by A3 and whole product is multiplied by A4. So matrix chain multiplication, simple. Suppose two matrix A and B given. If column of A is not equal to row of B, then multiplication is not possible. So error is produced. Else for I equal to 1 to row A and J equal to 1 to column B, then initialize the matrix Cij equal to 0. For k equal to 1 to column A, then find the product Cij may value Cij plus Aik into Bkj. Return the value of C. So cost of the matrix multiplication, like example like that, A1, A2, A3. A1 like that 10 multiplied by 100, A2 100 multiplied by 5, and A3 5 multiplied by 50. If we multiply A1, A2 product A3 perform 10, 100 and 5, 5000 scalar multiplication to compute 10 into 5 matrix product A1, A2 plus another 10 into 5 into 50 equal to 25 scalar multiplication. So multiply this matrix A3 for total 7500 scalar multiplication. If we multiply A1, A2, A3 form, we perform 100, 5 equal to 25,000. Scalar multiplication compute that 105 matrix product A2, A3 plus another 10, 150 equal to 5,000 scalar multiplication to multiply by A1 by matrix for the total 750 scalar multiplication. This is the example of multiplication. So step first be structure of an optimal parenthesization. So find optimal substructure and then use it to construct an optimal solution to the problem from optimal solution to the subproblem. Let Aij where I less than equal to j denote the matrix product ai plus 1 dash 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 aj. Any parenthesization of ai plus 1 aj must split the product between ak and ak plus 1 for I less than equal to k less than equal to j. So the optimal substructure of the problem like that, suppose that an OP of AI plus 1 dash AJ split the product between AK and AK plus 1. Then the parenthesization of the subchain AI to AI plus 1 dash dash AK, within this parenthesization of AI to AI plus 1, AJ must be an OP of AI plus 1 to AK. Now step 2, a recursive solution. Let M matrix I comma j be the minimum number of scalar multiplication needed to compute the matrix Aij where I 1 less than equal to I less than equal to j less than equal to n. This is the cost of cheapest way to compute A1 dash dash n would be M1 to n. Assume that the OP splits the product AI to J between AK and AK plus 1 where I less than equal to K less than J. Then Mij, the minimum cost of computing A, Ik and AK plus J, multiply the two matrices. So recursive definition of the minimum cost parameter like that: 0 if I equal to j, Mij minimum I की value k start from less than equal to I and less than j, Mik plus Mk plus 1 comma j plus Pi minus 1 Pk plus 1 j. This is the minimum cost of parameterization. And according to this cost, we assign the value Mij in Mik plus Mk plus 1 comma j, Pi minus 1 Pk Pj, and that's Sij equal to value of k such that Sij equal to k. So computing the optimal cost, it is easy to write the recursive algorithm based on recurrence of computing Mij, but the running time will be exponential. We compute the optimal cost by using a tabular bottom-up approach. So according to matrix chain order, first define the length of p minus 1 equal to n. For loop is started 1 to n, and first we initialize the value of Mii equal to 0. Now take the variable L started from 2 to n. Now this for loop, under for loop I equal to 1 to n minus L plus 1, j equal to I plus L minus 1. First we initialize the value, assign the value Mij 10 to infinity. Now next start the value of k I to j minus 1. Then value of q are assigning by this equation like that mi comma k plus nk plus 1 comma j plus pi minus 1 pk pj. If value q less than mij, then we assign in matrix mij में value q and assign the value of k in matrix sij. Suppose an example: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 matrix are given and their dimension 30 multiplied by 35, 35 multiplied by 15, 15 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 10, and 10 multiplied by 20, 20 multiplied by 25. Then we calculate the value. For example, if we want to calculate the value of M2, 5, so first I value 2, J value 5. K start I to J minus 1 and 2 to 4. So first value k I equal to 2, j equal to 5 and k equal to 4. For k equal to 1 to start m comma I comma j, I comma k plus k plus 1 comma j, p I pj minus 1 pk, put the value from this dimension. This is p0, this is p1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. We put the value of P1, P2, P5 from here and we calculate. Similarly, we calculate the value of M23 plus M45, P1, P2, P3, P5 and M24 के value जब 4 है तो M24 plus M55. After calculation, the three value of M25, we find the smallest value. The smallest value equal to 7125. So we put them in matrix M2, 5 value of 7125 and value of k equal to 3. So like that M2, 3 value of this and value of k 2, 3 value of k equal to 1. So similarly, we solve the matrix value 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2. Okay. After solving value corresponding, we solve the matrix S matrix. S matrix like that. Put the value of in Sij value of the for smallest value of Q. After calculating the matrix M and S, we construct the optimal solution. An optimal solution can be constructed from the computed information stored in the table S1 to N. we know that the final matrix multiplication is like that: a 1 dash 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 n 1 comma n, yeah, 1 plus 1 comma n. So print the optimal, print the value of optimal a, else print the parenthesis this, and print optimal optimal parents si comma sij, and right side we print sij plus 1 comma j. According to this, we solve the parenthesization of the given matrix dimension, and total uses the time complexity of the matrix chain order equal to order of n. This is the example of dynamic approach, or we can solve with the using the dynamic approach of matrix chain multiplication. We reduce, yeah, optimize the total number of the calculation. So in this matrix chain multiplication, very important for calculation of M matrix and M matrix. Each M matrix assign the least value and corresponding the value of k assigned in Si, comma j. For example, M2 comma 5, I equal to 2 and I equal to 2, j equal to 5. The value of 2 comma 5 equal to value 7, 1, 2, 5. According to this, value k equal to 2 to 4, k value 2, k value 3, k value 4. We calculate 3 value of m and find the least value equal to 7, 1, 2, 5. For the value of 2 comma 5 equal to the value of k equal to 3. This is the main calculation of the M matrix and S matrix. Similarly, Mi11 equal to 0, 2 value 0, 3 value equal to 0, 4 value equal to 0, 5 value equal to 0, 6 value equal to 0. For 1 comma 2, only 1 k exists, 1 comma 3, 2 k exists, 1 comma 4, 3 k exists, 1 comma 5, 4 k exists, 1 comma 6, 5 k exists. According to k, we solve the value of M matrix and S matrix. This is the example of matrix chain order of dynamic approach. And total time complexity of this algorithm is equal to order of n.